Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ban pencelori kinong song jongkari India hi burak away. Ban no Synniang yaki Khmat. Kadai kathong ka bah Khmat jongka Kynhun Project Vision. Banyarap ikitu ki bamla banyui ki bor Khmat jongki. Ban le yalap si ki Paidbah halor ka jing ai sngobha yaki Khmat haswa bikin klat no nakani ka perthai. Ka Kynhun Project Vision ringkat ka bansara ai care. Kan sepelong da ka jing ya Paidbah hakani gnong ba Shillong. Habakaran na kinong patay ko bor ha Shillong Press Club henne gasngi ka khanday trek ubnay risaw. U President jong ka Blind Walk Shillong 2017 ubhanwar nen sing didan ringkan ka optometrist jong ka bansara eye care ikong dipa el khongla but media coordinator Blind Walk Shillong ubalari piwarjri kilaytho baya ka jingra khe ka wall side day ha ka khat artrek munta ubnay risaw an pelong da ka jingya Paidbah karpang na ka banta kibreu ki badan ka jingduna ha ki bor Khmat ya ka balatep kum ka Walk for Blind 2017 ya kani ka jingya kjat ka ban pelong ha khat artrek munta ubnay risaw nadu ka por sibaje ka no phaisngi onsdang na ka phalau jong ka Shillong Club ha ka ba onya hadu khandai lat par 15 byang sa Shillong Club nalor kane ha po khandai lat on sa pelong ru ye ki jinglek kai harot surok na ka banta ban pesotho ki Paidbah halor ka jingkong san ban no Synniang ya ki Khmat jongki.
Coming to the event which is to happen on 12th of October, this is called Blind Walk 2017. Well, Larry has already given you a little insight into it, and I will not go into the details of it, but I'll just try to highlight the importance of it, because you know there are about 15 million visually challenged people, and 20% of them are in India, and about 85 lakh people die every day. Every year in our country, and out of that only 25,000 come forward to donate eyes. So this is a very, very dismal picture. So the waiting list in every eye hospital is huge for corneal transplant. So the first objective of Project Vision is to create awareness about eye donation, and this is done by, first of all, by this walk. What we do here is that the walk is led by persons who are visually impaired, and a chain of humans is made by joining hands, and they're led by the blind people, the normal people who are gifted with vision. They are blindfolded so that they realize what blindness is all about. Our target is to have about 500 people participating in this walk, with about 50 visually impaired people. And Jyoti Shrot School, which is a inclusive school, but primarily having visually impaired children, they are providing a lot of children who will be leading the walk. So that is the physical manifestation of this program, and I am sure that we will be able to spread awareness about this very important activity. The second objective of Blind Walk is to create vision ambassadors. You know what happens when we have a lot of people who have actually pledged to donate their eyes, but when the actual death takes place, for various reasons, emotional and otherwise, sometimes the family members back out. So the task of the vision ambassadors would be to go to the family, convince them, and facilitate the eye donation process. The third objective of the Project Vision is to simplify the system of eye collection. It's very easy to say that I'll donate my eye, but after we are no more, that eye has to be collected within a certain period of time and kept in the places where it should be, so that it can be transplanted to the persons who need. So these efforts are also being made by Project Vision. As at present, we already have a tie-up with the Shankar Netralaya at Guwahati, and a lot of corneal transplants have already taken place. So the Shillong chapter will try to start a facility in Shillong along with the government of Meghalaya or with the other eye hospitals, so that it is easier for people to be able to donate eyes.